Securing a loan against property with SMFG India Credit can be a strategic financial move. SMFG India Credit offers competitive solutions tailored to your needs. Here is a step-by-step guide to help you navigate the process effectively. Property evaluation. Ensure your property has clear titles and minimal outstanding loans. SMFG India Credit typically offers loans up to 60 to 70% of the property's market value, ensuring maximum leverage. Document preparation. Gather essential documents including property deeds, tax receipts, valuation reports, and personal identification proofs. These documents are crucial for the evaluation and approval process. Financial consultation. Approach SMFG India Credit's experts to explore loan options, competitive interest rates, and flexible repayment terms. Our loan representatives can guide you through the best financial solutions. Property assessment. SMFG India Credit evaluates the property's value and your financial stability to determine the loan amount. This assessment ensures that the loan is aligned with your financial capacity. Agreement finalization. Review and sign the loan agreement. Upon approval, funds are disbursed promptly, providing you with timely financial support. Securing a loan against property with SMFG India Credit provides a reliable financial solution with competitive terms. Whether for business expansion, education expenses, or personal needs, leverage your property's value with SMFG India Credit. Visit our website or contact us today to explore how you can empower your financial goals. SMFG India Credit, Pragati ki नई पहचान. Subscribe to our channel for more updates.